Struggling with metastability caused by clock domain crossing issues? Well, Blue Pearl presents Clock Domain Crossing. Blue Pearl software provides a CDC analysis tool that fills holes in typical design flows. Designers can properly set up and analyze their CDC synchronization issues that cause metastability. Have you spent hours debugging a CDC problem only to realize that the run was not properly set up? Do you have non-synthesizable or protected IP blocks in your design? How confident are you with the results of an incomplete CDC analysis that uses a black box methodology? The fact that typical designs contain many clocks, clock domains, and IP blocks creates a nightmare situation for designers and verification engineers. Here, we have two clocks in the same domain, and the interactions between them are synchronized. Should they be in separate domains, or else should the synchronizer be removed? Conversely, the interactions between these two clocks are asynchronous, yet they are in separate domains. Should a synchronizer be added, or else should they be in the same domain? Blue Pearl's industry-first advanced clock analysis tool assists designers in answering these pertinent questions before running CDC. When analyzing an FPGA design for CDC, it is important for a tool to understand commonly used models provided by the FPGA vendor. They often provide only a behavioral or encrypted model, which is then represented as black boxes by CDC analysis tools. Blue Pearl has developed a user gray cell model that contains the clock relationships and pin synchronization information that is needed to successfully do CDC analysis. Without such models, tools will miss unsynchronized CDCs. Without a user gray cell model, no CDC violations are reported in this example. One might erroneously be led to believe that there are no CDC violations. To illustrate the point, we now add the user gray cell information for the FIFO and then run the CDC analysis again. Let us now look at the results window. By adding the user gray cell, CDC violations are now reported. Blue Pearl's advanced clock analysis and user gray cell methodology solve these CDC setup and incomplete analysis issues today. For more information on how to get a massive head start on CDC analysis, visit bluepearlsoftware.com today.